Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin. Again, we'll go over some major support and resistance levels and possibilities with Elliott Wave. Let's start with the medium time frame, since we've had some price action again here. Now, we had a few different possibilities here. This one was the worst one of them all, saying that we could have this super expanding possibility to go higher. Now, this has been invalidated as the wave or the price itself has come down below the wave 2 start structure, so at least a part of this is now invalid. Now, this is still possible to be said that we can actually delete these, as these are no longer possible, and all these like so, and we can still see that there's a possibility for this to be a 1, and we could be still looking for wave 2 here. So we'll leave this bullish option still open, but it is not the one that we were looking for just before. So let's put this guys here, and A should be probably here. Again, this is the most bullish alternative or possibility at the moment, so on medium time frame at least. So yeah, invalidation point now is down here. If I can clip it here, there we go. So invalidation, and there we go. Now, other options, what do we have in medium time frame? We still have this WXY count. At this point we just hit the parallel channel down here, which it was a good spot to take along. There was some support here as well. I think it was some kind of weekly level or something. We can check that in just a bit, what other confluence we had here. But yeah, possibly looking for this 5-wave structure down here, B and C, for continuation downwards even more. But again, this 5-wave structure is just a possibility. We'll look into that in just a moment. Other possibility, this is basically the same, I think. Yeah. Now, instead of the W being here, we could have it here as well. Another ABC. We've already gone to the minimum target of 0.618, and now we would be looking for the structure inside here more carefully to look for what is going on. And this is basically the local counts that we'll delve into next. So this is again a bit closer look. Again, now we're on 1 hour time frame, and this is basically the whole structure from the January 24th lows. Let's take a look at the medium time frame, where we can see the range value area low was hit here, as well as, did I have the channel here as well drawn? Yeah. Again, pointing to a great support level here. Let's pull out some other ones here as well. Okay, so the weekly was actually just a bit higher, and that was broken down and reclaimed and back tested around here. So that was another possibility for taking the long here. I think I took mine around 37.9. Wasn't around at this point, and of course we got pump and dump. I still have my stop loss below here, but still got some good gains from now, 3% here for that long position. So that was some confluence on that low target here. The parallel channel, a range value area low. Bring us up VWAPs, not much there. Naked point of controls, not much there at the moment. We're currently looking like we're in no man's land. We only got this point of control from this whole range that we've been banging our heads into. There's also some kind of a trend line here that is some kind of resistance as well. But probably people have been trying to short this as well here. There's also other confluence here for the local retracement from the highs of April 28th to the lows of May 1st. We got a golden pocket here that could have offered some nice short position possibilities at least. Overall we got this downwards channel that hasn't still been broken, so we could be still expecting lower targets, and definitely we'll be looking for what happens when the price hits this channel. Just a bit higher time frame. This is again from the highs of April 1st to the lows of May 1st. We can be expecting some kind of results here around the golden pocket, some kind of at least resistance levels. Now we don't seem to be having too many confluences around this area. We got just these single areas where we got some levels to look for, but again not too many that are overlapping. Maybe this naked point of control with daily offers most here around 40,450. Let's get into some Elliott Wave stuff. Let me close down these so we can actually see what is happening. So previously we had this idea where we had 1, 2, 3, 4 possibly here and 5. Now this was I said that this is pretty weird looking wave 5 and wasn't really a fan of it, therefore I was expecting the wave 4 here, and we did get that. And now I'm pretty sure that I could be completely removing this, but I'm just keeping it as a possibility still. This definitely looks more like 3 waves here than 5 waves, but you never know. Now, saying that wave 4 is here, we would be looking for wave 5 lower. For wave 5 to be lower, we would be again have to look for some structure here. I tried to look for 5-way structures. And there could have been merits to saying this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but as price just kept going downwards, there was just weird structures and plays that were happening here, and I didn't really get any good Elliott Wave counts going here. The only possible that I can see at the moment is basically for at least a motive wave structure for the 5th wave is some kind of structure like this, some diagonal that could be ending soon-ish. So let's go over that possibility. Wave 1 can't be here because we have this structure here. So this, let me highlight that for you. Where's my pen here? So this structure is larger than this one. Therefore we can't have 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Those are just the rules, and this structure is breaking it. But we can have just an A, B, C here, making a huge wave 1. But again, it is not really looking too good, but it is valid. Making the 1 here, 2, 3, 4. Wave 4 can't be longer than wave 2, therefore we have the invalidation here at 40k. So if price goes higher than that one, we are just going to be invalidated with this idea. If, however, the price starts coming down, we would be looking for wave 5. Definitely looking around this trend line that has been drawn here, depending on how long it takes to go here or get here, the lower the target is going to go. Alternate option is this one here. If we have the wave 5 actually ending here and wave 4 here, we could be still looking for ABC. Now this is some weird looking structure for the wave B, but we're still within its reach here, at least on Fibonacci levels. The wave B is still less than 1.618 length of wave A, so that is still valid. But definitely does not look really good. Again, we could be having, since we don't need to be looking for 5 waves here, a 5-wave structure, we could be looking this as a 1 structure here, this one as second structure. Now we would be looking for connector wave for the first one, for the with this last leg here. But again, it can't go lower than this 1.618, or otherwise this idea gets invalidated as well, 35.9k. Then this one that we had last time presented as well was this, that ABCDE for the X wave. X wave could have ended here, could have ended here as well. Then this count would be a bit different. This would also work with the structure I just presented with the ABC, this one here. But yeah, we could be still looking for this expanding triangle, but it is super rare, even on Bitcoin, and even at this degrees. It could be happening on smaller degrees, but to me this looks super unlikely, unfortunately, even though it is structurally looking pretty okay, but it is just so rare that the possibilities are, or probabilities are, just so low on this one. But yeah, I think those are all the options I wanted to present to you today. If you have another coin you would like me to analyze or give an update to of the current ones that are already created on the channel, let me know in the comments below. But for now, I thank you for watching and hope to see you here on the channel soon. Bye bye.